All right, you're watching the week 9 walkthrough. So on Monday, one thing to note, Unit 3 vocab Quizlet, that's here. You should be reviewing that a couple minutes every day because next Wednesday, a week from Wednesday, you have a vocab quiz. Okay, so Monday, what you're doing is you're downloading the notes to Notability. So download these to Notability, and then you're going to watch the Entry 1 video lecture. There's a few homework problems at the end to try. But don't worry, because on Tuesday, you have a homework walkthrough. So try the problems and then go back and watch this on Tuesday. Then you're going to download this lab. You're going to need a link to watch the lab as well. So that link will be posted just below here. It'll say this. It'll say, watch this lab link for the people at home. Okay, and then I'll come back and add the video to that later. Apologies for that, but I want to make sure it was good. And then on Wednesday, you have a vocab assignment. So there's a how to complete it right here. Download it and then review the Quizlet after you're done. You should upload that back when you finish as well. And then on Thursday, you're watching the second half of the notes from Monday. So Monday, you're taking Entry 1. Notice this is Entry 1 and 2 notes. You're taking Entry 2, then you're going to upload it here. So you only have to submit it once this week, not twice. And that's probably what we'll do going forward is we'll submit notes once every week. And then on Friday, you'll have a homework review and you'll have a density lab to complete at home. This one has everything you need right in it. So don't worry about that. Okay. That's it for week 9. Next week, we'll review Entry 3 a little bit and have one more thing of notes, a couple activities, and then we will move on to the test before Thanksgiving. All right, guys, have a great week. Bye.